Hi, we are going to see the solution of error which you are getting while activating the virtual environment. So now first we will see the steps and what is the solution, that also I will show you. So now for example, I have this Python projects folder. So in this folder I want to create virtual environment for one of my project. So I will first open here VS Code. So using shortcut code space dot. So once I have opened this, now I want to create one virtual environment here. So for that we know we have to use when module in Python. So python -m when, and name of the virtual environment, for example I am giving here progenv. So this is my virtual environment name. So now this virtual environment is folder is created. Now I want to activate this. Once we will get next prompt, we will activate that. So for activation we need to go in scripts folder and we need to run this activate script. So now I will go in this folder cd progenv, and in this progenv we need to run this script. So script activate and press enter. Here you are going to get error. Here you are going to get error. Cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. For security reason it is disabled. Now how to solve this error? So for that you have to open Windows PowerShell with admin privileges. So you have to go in start PowerShell. So here you have option run as administrator. You have to click on that. So you have to click on S. So once you click on this, so this PowerShell is visible. And now, so I will try to increase its font. So I will increase its font. For example, 36 I have taken. So now here this Windows PowerShell is visible. So here you have to run some commands. So here I am writing those commands, you have to run those. So get hyphen execution policy, and whenever you are writing commands make sure spelling is correct. Space hyphen list, right? So you have to write this get hyphen execution policy hyphen list, press enter. So it will show you this scope execution policy. So it will show you one list. Now you want to set execution policy unrestricted. Set execution policy unrestricted. So by default it is restricted, so we are going to unrestrict it. So set execution policy unrestricted, right? So here it is asking for yes and no, so I will yes to all. So I will press Y only, that is yes, right? So now next you have to run. So once you click on yes, so next you have to run one more command, set hyphen execution policy unrestricted hyphen force, right? So with this execution policy will get unrestricted, right? So now you got this prompt means all commands are executed successfully, right? So now I will run this script again. So now it is executing properly, right? So in this way you can solve this error So now your virtual environment is activated. So in this way you can solve this error. So what is your error? Execution script is, so here is some errors, right? So in this way you can solve this error, right? So you will get this error when you will run this activate script. So at that time you have to first open Windows PowerShell with admin privileges and you have to run these commands, right? So in this way you can solve this error and you can activate this virtual environment.